Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I make this delicious chicken kebab. We're going to start from scratch. There's no chicken mince. We have to make ourselves chicken mince, and also we have no mixer. I'm gonna be showing you how you should make without mixer. So let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've got here my wooden crusher. I'm not sure if you guys call that, but I'm calling wooden crusher. I'm adding one medium chopped onion, and also I add some green chilies, about 4 to 5 green chili, and I also add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and some fresh coriander. Now I'm going to crush into a fine paste. I know it can be difficult making a paste using this crusher, but that's fine. Just crush it as much you can because we still have to crush again later. So you don't need to be making a fine paste. Okay, I'm done crushing. This is how it looks like, guys. See? Okay, now I'm gonna be making chicken mince using the same crusher. So don't add too much, just a little bit, little by little. It depends how much chicken you have. This is 300 gram. I'm gonna just add like half, then I'm going to finish the rest after. Okay, my chicken mince is ready. This is how it looks like, guys. See? It's well blended. So now I'm going to put in the plate and finish the rest. By the way, guys, my hands are clean and I didn't want to use gloves because the chicken is very sticky and the gloves is gonna be just a mess. So I prefer to work with my hands. So guys, we're done with chicken. Now we are moving to step 3. In this blender, we're going to add half of this chicken mince. And also I'm going to add half of this onion mixture. With help of this wooden stick here, we're going to blend the chicken and we're going to be pushing down with the wooden stick, and you must be careful because there's a blade down there, so you have to be careful. Okay, so and also when you're blending, just blend it for a few seconds and off it, let the blender rest, because this is not a mixer. This job is for mixer. So yeah, I think it's done already. Look at that, it's already smooth. This is what we are looking for. Now I'm going to finish the rest. Okay, now that we are done with the blending, I'm going to add this mixture in the mixing bowl. Then I'm going to add the rest of ingredients which is left. first ingredient is gonna be breadcrumbs, which I made myself. I'm gonna drop the link in the description box, also on top of this screen. Just check it out how I make this breadcrumbs. Okay, so it's about half cup of breadcrumbs. I'm going to just give a good mix to bring everything together. The next ingredient is gonna be 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. This is turmeric powder, about half teaspoon, and salt. Now I'm gonna add some oil as well, because the chicken is very sticky, so if you add oil it's gonna help. So now I'm gonna just mix everything well. You have to mix it well, guys. So just take your time and mix it, mix it, mix it. Okay, I'm done with mixing. This is how it looks like. Now I'm going to be shaping my kebab using this skew. So I've got my oil here. This oil I just bring to apply it to my hands because the chicken is sticky. Using on skew is not really necessary, but I was just like, okay, let him just try this. Now I'm going to be shaping my kebab. So guys, just watch how I'm shaping it because I won't be explaining. So guys, you can see yourself how I'm doing it. So I'm done shaping all the kebab, guys. Look how cute it looks. Now, okay, my pan is already hot and I already add oil. We don't need too much oil, just a little bit. And I'm going to be putting my kebab and fry until it's light golden. And don't fry on too hot oil, guys. You have to fry in low heat so it can be able to cook through. So you don't have to wait until it's light golden to flip it over. Just flip it over again and again until it's all light golden same time. Okay, my kebab is done. Now I'm going to remove from oil in place and the paper towel. Okay, our kebab is done. Now it's ready to serve. You can remove skew. It's not a problem. You can even enjoy like this. Of course, you're not going to be eating this skew. So this is optional, guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to give your sister a nice thumbs up, share with family and friends, and please share, guys. Share this video, okay? Share, and share. Please like, and comment down below what you guys think about this recipe. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.